All right. Every YouTuber dream is to hit 1 million views, and that is the reality of creating automotive content since 2020. And today we are here to testify that we have hit that 1 million total views since we started. So I want to give a big thanks to my followers, those who have subscribed to Eric Auto Center, and those who haven't yet subscribed but watching my videos, especially those who watch my videos and share to reach out many people. I say a big thank you. Now we have hit 1 million views, total views from the journey we started, and we know it will not going to end here. It will going to be awesome and very useful, and this is the result we need, because all we need is to create automotive content and vehicles video that you want. This is our priority. So we are here to thank everyone making this happen, and it's a great milestone. Hitting 1 million views is a dream for every YouTuber, every content creator, and this is what we have achieved this May 4th June, this month of June 4th. We are really happy, and I think this will ginger us and motivate us to create the best video ever and for the future use. So we have a big thank to everyone making this happen. We really appreciate your continuous support, and we don't want to end it here, but we want you to continue support us, promote our videos, share our videos to reach many people. This is what we need most. Now, to make this reality come true is not an easy task, but what we are doing out there, a lot of people have interest and love it, so they help us to share our videos, they help us to promote the videos, they help us to get many viewers, and those who talk about us to their friends, their families, their loved ones. May God bless you all. This is an appreciation video from what we have reached so far, because it's a great milestone and it's a dream of every YouTuber. And one thing I want to know that to reach 1 million views as a YouTuber, some people may ask how much YouTube pays me for 1 million views. YouTube pays for 1 million views for extra earnings due to your number of views. But making this milestone will also help YouTube to recommend your channel to more platforms, newsfeed, and other websites. So it increase your value of earning, it increase your income, it increase your general income. And if you are very consistent on what you are doing, you may earn a lot from hitting 1 million views. So on the screen is what has happened. For a very long time I have not scrolled into my YouTube studio, and just yesterday I scrolled into my studio and I was finding this on my platform, which I was very excited to hit 1 million views. And look at the money I make for 1 million views. This is what I have earned for 1 million views. So if you continue to create more videos regularly, consistently, then that means you will gain more. And one thing I want to tell everyone who is watching me, for those who are interested to making automotive content or creating any content on YouTube, you can start, because it's a big investment, though it is very difficult to become a YouTuber. But as I have started it and I have made it to this far, you can also do it. Before I wasn't able to do it. I have no knowledge about it, but I sat down, I planned, I learned, make a lot of research, and I reach out to an expert who is into YouTube and guide me to this far. So it's everything about learning, research, and education. You have to contact those who are in the business. And I can't stop saying this. If you follow those who know the road, that is the reality of life. But if you mix out and follow those who don't know the road, you may get negative result or the opposite side of it, which is failure. So this is our motivational message for you. So I thank everyone that keep doing what you are doing, and you will get there. Keep soaring, never give up. No matter challenges, that is life. You may able to penetrate and maneuver, and you are good to go. That is it. So this is a big thanks message. Thanks for watching. Until I meet you in the next video, stay blessed, be better and not bitter. Bye bye.